you worked with the late President Aquino and pagkatapos nanindigan ka with Mama Sapano, and you worked also with former President Duterte. And you have some sectors taking that against you.
Kumbaga kung empleyado ka, you keep and you perform. Hindi ba yung Peter's principle na mapapansin ka ng boss, di ba? Ganon din naman. As mayor, I have to perform my mandate and innovate, di ba? Even when I was in the Philippine National Police, he was the mayor ni Pierre. Napansin na niya rin ako dahil series of operations ang ginawa namin sa Mindanao eh. Even when I was in the Special Action Force, naging base namin yung Davao City. At tuwing may kailangan ng Davao City na security operations, nandun naman kami. So nakilala niya ako na someone who performs, hindi sip-sip, na someone who will kiss the ass. At ngayon, nung naging mayor ako, panatagan loob niya sa akin. And then when he saw yung mga innovations namin during the pandemic, ginawa niya akong contact tracing lead. Kasalanan ko ba yun? Na nagustuhan niya ako. Patapos, dahil every time na may hiningi ako, may na-request ako sa kanya, ang bilis ng response niya. Hindi ka kaya mapapalapit din sa mga ganong klaseng tao, ganong mga leaders, di ba? And besides, ang kanyang legacy is yung safety sa streets na talagang naramdaman ng taong bayan. In the same manner na ngayon, nagpe-perform uli ako ngayon as mayor and again, doing a lot of extra miles. Nagustuhan naman ako ni PBBM, ni Presidente. Kasalanan ko ba uli yun? Kaya sa ating po mga kababayan na lagi hong kakaiba yung pag-iisip ninyo, please wag niyo pong politikahin. Siguro, ang tingnan niyo po is yung performance.
At yung trabaho, the assignment.
Yes po.
Oo. Pero when it comes to former President Duterte, you said in an interview, you don't regret supporting him.
Totoo yun. I will repeat. Ulitin ko pa nga eh. I don't regret supporting him. Kasi nakita ko eh. Naramdaman ko. Isipin mo nga, pati mga madre. Hindi ba, there was a time na talagang kumbaga eh, kung ano siya, disrespectful siya sa Lord, di ba? Disrespectful siya sa Pope. But when I was doing my house-to-house, nung nagkakampanya ako during my first term, I was talking to mga sisters. I was really surprised na sabi nila, Duterte kami. Sister, bakit po? Sabi nila, dati-rati, hirap na hirap kami makalakad dyan sa lugar na yan, mga iskinita na yan eh. Ngayon, safe na safe kami, uwi kami, maski anong oras, safe na safe. Ganon din yung mga kabataan, ganon din yung mga matatanda.
But do you still support him now? He is facing crimes against humanity charges. Pagkamatay sa drug war, extrajudicial killings. So, ang tanong ng iba, hindi nagmamatch yun. Na si Mayor Magalong does not speak out against extrajudicial killings.
If I support a person, it doesn't really mean that I am aligned with some of his policies. Siyempre, yung extrajudicial, ano man yun, kontra naman ako doon. I was the oversight of the, yung tokhang. Nakita ko yung mga mali eh. Even I even caution some of the PNP commanders na mali yung mga pinagagawa nyo. Alam na alam yun ni Senator Bato yun. Nung nagalit ako mismo sa isang command conference, pinagalitan ko sa harapan niya yung mga general. So, ang relationship ko sa kanya is more on a personal note, a personal level. Kaya sana intindihin nila.